Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Click headlight. First, find the adjustment screw, usually near the headlight assembly. You'll typically need a Phillips screwdriver. Turning this screw will move your headlight beam up or down. It's best to do this in a dark area, like a garage or at night, so you can clearly see the beam's movement against a wall. To begin, park your Honda Click on a level surface. The adjustment screw is typically found on the headlight assembly itself, often at the bottom or rear. It's usually a single screw, sometimes a pinion, that controls the vertical aim. If you're having trouble locating it, your scooter's owner's manual will provide a diagram showing its precise position. Once you've found the screw, park your scooter about 25 feet from a wall. Mark the wall at the exact height of your headlight's center. Now, use your Phillips screwdriver to turn the adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Make small, gradual turns and observe the beam's movement on the wall. After adjusting, ensure the top edge of your low beam is slightly below the center mark you made on the wall, typically by about 2 inches. Take your Honda Click for a short ride to confirm the headlight provides adequate visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. Remember not to over-tighten the adjustment screw. If you're ever unsure, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.